We have this composed animation in the NLA editor. Let's see how the Smart Play and the Toggle NLA strip operators can help us. Let's put the strip in edit or tweak mode with the start-stop tweaking operator. Now play the animation with the regular Blender play operator, that is, with spacebar. See how only one strip is played and the other one in the track is ignored. Stop editing that strip, select the second one and start tweaking it. Let's play again with the spacebar. The result is the same, the first strip is ignored and only the strip being tweaked is played. Okay, now let's do the same again, but this time we'll play it with our Smart Play operator. Select the first strip, tweak it, and click the Play operator. This time both strips are played. And when we stop the animation, the Play operator remembers its earlier tweak state. Let's try with the second strip. Again, the Play operator plays all strips the track, no matter if they are in tweak mode or not. And the best part is that when we stop the animation, it returns to the tweak state if the strip was in that state.